In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly AI. Whether you're a student polishing an essay, a professional crafting emails, or just someone who loves perfect prose, Grammarly AI can be an invaluable tool in your writing arsenal. Let's jump in and explore how you can make the most of this fantastic resource in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to head over to the Grammarly website, or, if it's more convenient, open the Grammarly app on your device. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features. This platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so you'll find everything you need accessible right from the start. If it's your first time, consider taking a quick tour to understand the interface. Now that you're set up, it's time to move on. Next, you'll want to open a document within Grammarly or simply start typing. Grammarly works either way, providing you with real-time feedback. As you type, you'll notice something wonderful. Grammarly begins to highlight mistakes and provide helpful suggestions. Watch how it catches errors you might not have spotted yourself, from simple typos to more complex grammar issues. The beauty of Grammarly is that it not only corrects your mistakes, but also helps you learn and grow as a writer. It's like having a digital writing coach by your side. When Grammarly highlights these mistakes or suggestions, don't worry, they are easy to address. Simply click on the highlighted words or phrases, and Grammarly will provide you with options to correct the issue. Applying corrections is as simple as a click. In no time, you'll see your document transform, improved with every suggestion you accept. This is a great opportunity to understand the changes being made. If you're curious, indulge in learning the reasons behind each correction for a richer understanding of language mechanics and stylistic improvements. Lastly, one of the fantastic features of Grammarly is its adaptability to different writing styles and tones. If you find your writing needs a specific flair or you're aiming to maintain a particular voice, head to the tone and style settings. Here, you can adjust settings to match your needs, whether it's keeping things formal, casual, or somewhere in between. Customizing the tone can make all the difference in how your message is received, ensuring you communicate effectively with your audience. And that's it, a straightforward guide to using Grammarly AI. In just 5 minutes, you've gained the know-how to enhance your writing with greater clarity and confidence. Keep practicing and taking full advantage of Grammarly's robust features. Thanks for joining today, and happy writing!